Yeah, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oka from Cynthia, and in this YouTube video today, I'm going to be showing you top 5 cryptocurrency news agencies. Yes, cryptocurrency is not just a business where you just come in to invest and relax and wait for everything to just fall in place for you. You really have to be aware of what is happening in the market. You have to be carried along, and this is what this is what these cryptocurrency news agencies are there for. You have to follow them, like their pages on Facebook, to have their websites or apps on your phone so that you get updated on what is happening in the cryptocurrency market. And also, it also enhances your fundamental analysis ability, because if you know of a good development coming to a project maybe in 2 days, 5 days, 1 week time, it's an opportunity for you to know that this coin is definitely going to at least do 20%, 30% when that news is announced. So you can see the reason why it's good to know some of these cryptocurrency news agencies, so that you can be updated on what is happening in the market. Right? Yeah, so let's dive in straight to the top 5 cryptocurrency news agencies that I have for you. Now, the first cryptocurrency news agency, and I feel is the most popular cryptocurrency news agency, is Cointelegraph. Yeah, Cointelegraph is a cryptocurrency news agency that brings you cryptocurrency news from around the world of virtually almost all the cryptocurrencies out there. You might have to check them out, download their app, or register on their website to get notifications on the cryptocurrency news that they have for each day. And also, we have News BTC. News BTC is also a cryptocurrency news website that brings you diverse cryptocurrency news about Bitcoin, ADA, and a whole lot of them. And also, we have coindesk. Coindesk, just like Cointelegraph, is also a crypto news agency website where you can get updated on what is happening in the market. And also, we have Today on Chain news agency. Yes, Today on Chain news agency is the fourth cryptocurrency news website we have on our list today. With this Today on Chain cryptocurrency news agency, you can get to see about the new developments coming into cryptocurrency, what the new projects people are developing in solving the recent real world problems we are facing. And also, you can get to see news about metaverse, game projects, etc. And also, bitcoinist. Bitcoinist is also a cryptocurrency news agency, just like the ones I've mentioned before. You can check them out, know the one that you prefer the most, and roll with them. So that is it. Let's head over to my browser. Let me show you through their website and what they have for you. Okay, so this is Cointelegraph. Yeah, you can see, you can read through their websites. Magazine, industry, consulting, video, market pro. You can see they even have the prices of cryptocurrencies here on their website. Cove markets to join Robinhood. You can see a lot of news about cryptocurrencies. You can get to see a lot of news about cryptocurrency, the metaverse, NFTs, etc. You can check them out. And also, the next thing we'll have here is Today on Chain. Yes, you can see also they also have the prices of some top cryptocurrencies here, and you can see their today's news. This is 3 hours ago. This one also 2 hours ago. Cardona, just check out these websites, choose the one that appeals to you the most, and roll with them, because you have to really be updated about what is happening in the cryptocurrency market if you really want to play this game on a big boys level, right? Yeah, it's not just all about technical analysis. You have to really be good at fundamentals if you also want to really make it big in cryptocurrency. Yeah, so the next one we have is news BTC. You can see here they have a whole lot of news on their website. So you can see Bitcoin buying news events upcoming. You get to see a whole lot of news on their website. You can even subscribe to their email list if you want to be getting the email straight to your email inbox, right? Yeah, so the next one we have here is bitcoinist. Bitcoinist is also a cryptocurrency news agency. You can see here they have a whole lot of um cryptocurrency news on their website, not just cryptocurrency, tech, blockchain, security, fintech, etc. You can see prices, a whole lot of them. You can come and explore these news agencies to see what they have for you. Then the last one we have here is coindesk. Coindesk is also a news agency, a cryptocurrency news agency. You can see they also have business, tech, policy, indices, TV and videos, a whole lot of things they have here for you. Even crypto explainer. Just come here, explore these websites, learn from what they have for you, because they are here to serve you. They are here to serve you. So that is it. I hope you learned something from this video today, and if you did, I would encourage you to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you can get to see more of my videos, you can get to see more of my face, and also you can get to learn more from the value that I am bringing to you on this channel. Thank you very much for watching.